Hello everybody, this is Anastasia from Voudou.ropes and Carla here with me. And today we're going to show you a beautiful arm tie that you can tie a nice cuff on both hands without hurting anybody, of course. It's going to look very, very beautiful. Let's do it. You like that one, right?
Comfy.
It is comfy, okay. All right, so first of all, you'll need your model to place the hands together like this. And while you are tying, you'll need them to spread the fingers, but we'll get there. First of all, we get the middle of the rope and we're going to make a loop like this, as if you were going to connect your ropes. And then we're going to wear this on the hands. Here, I tighten this one. Make sure there's no twists anywhere. And from here, I'm going to go up. And now we need to spread the fingers. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 places to put rope to, remember that. And from here, we go into this one first. So we create the first diagonal line. But first, let's make sure that this is nice and tight. And then we create our first line here. And then we go from this side, we just go like this, and we go in between the hands here now. Take it all out from here. Then from here, we are going to go to the second one, third one. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We go to the third one. Then back here and in between the arms, the hands. Here we go. So now we have a pattern. So from one side it goes around the third finger, and from the other side the same thing is happening. So now what we need to do is to keep going. So we keep going here, we go over this line and in the first one. And then from this side, again, you put this over that one, and we come out from in between the hands again, from here.
And I really recommend you to check out one of my online courses. Start from the free course here. It will give you a great overview on shibari. Challenge yourself with 5 days of tying. To join now, click the link below the video.
And then here, we need to make the last line. So the last line is going to go here. But if you place it just like this, then you kind of break the pattern of weaving. Because here we have this line going under, over. So here, we need to create similar pattern. We're going to go over and then under. So we are going under here. And slowly pulling that out. All of that messy rope. Here we go. Okay, and then we put it in here in the last one that was still vacant. And now we go here and again. Oops, sorry. Here we have our line that goes over, under. So it means that here we do the opposite. We go under, over. So we go underneath this line here. It's a little bit tight, so I'm going to just pull it a little bit here, yes. And carefully pulling this thing out, don't go too fast. You're gonna burn your model's hands, we don't wanna do that. Yeah. And now wipe one by one. Here we go, and then we go in between the hands again, just like that. So now you already have quite a pretty pattern. So we have this looking pretty good, but we can make it look even better and actually fix it. So now please open the fingers. That looks actually quite funny. Okay. And then we place the rope like this, going up in between the fingers. and then you come back here. And you have that line, in my case this is the red one, and I'm going to connect my rope to the red line here with a Yuki fix. So I'm going to go underneath this line, make a little loop, and then I make another loop, and loop number 2 eats loop number 1. It's hungry. Om nom 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 nom. And it eats it, Pac-Mans it. Here we go. So here's our Yuki fix, and now we can move the hands easily wherever we want them to go. They look good and they feel comfy. So this is your arm tie, actually learned from Erick, Criminal Descente. If you ever check out his page, please tell thanks to Erick for this tie. Yes, okay. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tie, and if you did, don't forget to like and maybe even subscribe so you can enjoy more videos right when they come up. Thank you, Carla.
Thank you.